Okie dokie, 9 to go. Early morning open, so our watchers get more time. So, 1 through 9, what's it going to be?
As we always say, the first.
So that's it? So we're going to do number 1?
To number 1, to number 1, to number 1.
Because we had good luck with number 1 yesterday?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see if that theory holds up. Yesterday was that legendary Tila. Oh, and real quick, let me tell you, you know what they call her? Because when she's all in white, and she has that white hair, the joke is we call her Grandma Tila. Because she looks old because she's all white. So, we got Grandma Tila yesterday. Let's see who comes today in cube number 1.
Yep.
Okay. Which character are we hoping for? Orko?
Yeah.
And which Orko? Peppermint Orko?
Yeah. or any other kind of Orko. I kind of want common Orko.
It doesn't, right, as long as you get an Orko, that's what we care most about? Okay. Let's see. Maybe we'll get lucky. Oh, common!
Common!
All right. Okay, so we still want every common. So now, this is in our common old school collection. Great news!
Yeah, because it is pretty good.
Yeah, because we know we want. Where's the collections? We'll do this real quick. Right? In the Wave 1 and Wave 2, one of our goals is to have all the commons that match all the original toys. So that would be very cool. That is.
Yeah, all we need is Trapjaw, which you have on the desk. Beastman, we also have on the desk.
Yeah, so we need a Trapjaw, Beastman, Orko, and we need a tri-klops from a common tri-klops from Wave 1. There we go. Very cool. We'll see. Look at these silly guys. They're all so funny.
We saw Peppermint Orko at the party.
See, there's Grandma Tila. Grandma Tila.
Do they have other jokes for anyone else?
No, just because, she's got white hair, so she looks like a grandma.
Yeah.
So that's the joke there.
If Beastman, I would
Check
call Beastman, I would call Grandpa.
So,
Grandpa Beastman.
Something really cool, you can actually see his teeth are reflecting and you see his tongue.
Yeah.
Isn't that cool?
Like him. Go over to Orko.
See, look at how his mouth's open so you can see how it glows.
Yeah, I want Orko the most because of that black face.
Yeah.
And the blue all around him.
Yep. So there we go. There's everybody. Very cool. All right. I guess we'll be back tomorrow.
Bye-bye.